Good morning, Phil from Dirty Driveway here. We are out in Chislehurst, just outside Bromley today. Season's come to a bit of an end, so we've got a few more jobs to wrap up and then the season starts to wind down a little bit. But today we are doing a block paved driveway. This is the last block paved driveway I'm doing this season. Weather's turning really nasty now. I've had quite a lot of rain recently. They're forecasting tomorrow to be quite dry, so fingers crossed this will dry out today and give me enough time tomorrow to get it all sanded and finished. So let's take a look at what we're doing. This one's quite mossy. There's a few weeds towards the back, just where that car is in the bins. Around that edge there's a few weeds, but it's generally just quite mossy, very dirty. So we're going to be hitting this with the X-Jet, put a little bit of chem on it. This will probably get a pre-treat and a post-treat just because it is really filthy. I've also got the patio to do at the back. I may do a separate video on that, but that one's it's quite small. It's just concrete flagstones, so it may not make for an interesting video. But we'll be focused on this today, and hopefully, fingers crossed, the weather stays favourable. It's looking a little bit grey up there, so I'm hoping the rain stays away. So yeah, let's go have a look and see what we're doing. So here we go, nice block paved driveway, should be ready colour. This is mossy, weedy, I'd say it's mainly mossy. It's got some quite heavy moss down here in these joints. Pretty black. I don't think the chem is going to shift all of the black spot that you can see on these slabs, sorry, bricks, blocks even. So yeah, it's not been cleaned for a long time, so obviously it's got a lot of fungus on it. So yeah, there's the edge, supposedly. It kind of comes under there somewhere, so we'll see if we can get that back. You can see where the edge comes in round there, so we'll try and follow it through, get rid of some of that foliage there. But yeah, a few sprigs of grassy looking weed coming up, nothing awful, but it is just mainly moss, especially up this section here and under there. Nice big tree up there which just makes it really wet. If you come down here you can see it's really wet down here. But yeah, I'm going to get you set up on a tripod. Not sure where yet, we'll find out in a minute, and we'll get some cleaning done. So I'm going to give it a little rinse first because it's really gritty and there's quite a bit of sort of residual sort of dirt where the bins are up the edge there. So I'm going to give it a quick pre-rinse, then I'm going to hit it with some chem, and I might even get the surface cleaner out today. So we'll cut the edges in, get the surface cleaner out, see how well that cuts through the moss. Luckily there is a drain just in front of my van, so hopefully the water will drain out there and then into the drain. I know there is one, I think my back tyre's probably on it. But yeah, right, let's crack on with some cleaning. So welcome back, we are here day 2. The sun's finally come out. After I've finished doing the video yesterday, it decided to rain quite heavily, and it's rained mostly yesterday afternoon. So yeah, we're back here today. It has dried out, well, dried out enough that I can sand it. There's a few damp patches left on the blocks, but yeah, nothing that would hinder the sanding process. A little bit damper than what I would like, but I say it's only a couple of sort of small sections down here, a few blocks, and a small section up here. It doesn't really get any sun. The sun's creeping round, but I don't think it's going to get on this till at least later on this afternoon, which is a bit too late in the day. Other things to do. So I'm going to flick you around, have a quick look at what we've done, and then I'm going to sign off. So there we go, much cleaner than what it was. So you can see there's a couple of damp patches up here. The sun sort of comes in from up in that direction, comes around the back of the house. So this is not going to get much sunshine throughout the day. So yeah, at the end of doing the sanding, I like to just blow it over with a garden blower. Just a battery operated one that just basically just blows off any of the surface sand that's left behind. It can take away that gritty sensation you might get when it rains. This is not too, you've got a slight drop towards the road, so some of the surface sand will eventually wash away, but when it does rain you can get that kind of gritty sensation underneath your feet, and obviously that can get tracked into the house, stuff like that. So I like to just blow it over just gently with a garden blower, just to remove some of the surface sand that's been left behind. But yeah, this is all done, all finished, all sanded. As you can see, massive difference to what it was from yesterday when we started. And yeah, this is my my last block pave job of the season. I've got a couple more jobs booked in. We'll see if we can get maybe another couple of videos, depends on the weather. But if I don't speak to you, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. See you in 2022, and happy cleaning. Bye for now.